equipment inside checked.
Outside checked, nothing special.
Aircraft load.
Ist gut, ist released. Weekly check performance.
Fueling order, Zeitone bestellt.
Okay, wir haben 10 Tonnen, 10,2 ist an Bord. Fuel is checked.
Fuel panel. Set. Green.
Check.
Centers unbalance. Checked. Oxygen mask.
Check left hand side.
Check right side. Switching panel. Normal. Checked.
Check left.
Altimeters 1028. 1390.
1390.
8000 Fuß. No flight.
Standby checked.
FIS 0. Minus 3.
0.
Map 15.
Minus 3. Set. Map 15 navigation.
Navigation. CRT is checked.
8000 displayed and checked.
Arau unterlegt.
Jawohl. Is checked.
Beacons, Re und Walliselle.
Confirm.
MSUs.
1, 3, 2.
2 checked. Headings.
188,
188
1, 2, 3
degrees.
times.
Twice. FMS. Runway 28 in Zurich. Departure Albix 4 Yankee. To Saronno. Milano Linate.
Okay, checked.
Cruise station completed.
Okay. Load sheet.
Clearance-Frage.
Du Clearance verlangen. Das Load sheet schon da.
Delivery Grüezi Swissair 620 Alpha 55 Information Golf for startup.
Swissair 620.
Grüezi wohl, merci vielmal.
Your departure around 06, runway 28, QNH 1028, time is 51, your clearance.
Swissair 620, go ahead.
Swissair 620, cleared Linate, Albix 4 Yankee, departure 3047 to Squawk.
Swissair 620, departure at 06 1028, runway 28 to Linate, Albix 4 Yankee 3047.
Correct, 620 to April, Rand.
Adieu, Dankeschön.
Danke vielmal. Schönen Tag.
Holding point to runway 28 via taxiway inner.
Okay.
Ready?
Wir haben einen Zero Fuel Weight von 96,3 Tonnen. Fuel 10,2. Takeoff Weight 105,9. 105.9. 99 Passagiere. MAC takeoff 26.4 and MAC zero fuel 24.1. Okay. Ja, grüezi wohl. Wir haben den Start Takeoff Time bekommen von 06. Wir werden die etwa 2-3 Minuten können zurückstoßen. Wir können gerade fragen, ich komme wieder zurück. Okay, gut. Die rufen wir, wenn der Traktor angehängt ist. Dann machen wir Check before engine starts.
Seatbelts.
On.
Shoulder harness on. Right
On.
side. Load sheet.
It's checked. Data's inserted.
Thrustway panel. 50 Grad, Takeoff, 1,50 auf den Berg. Und wir haben Flex 51 bis 177.
51 checked.
Takeoff, Datas.
This is 444 for taxi, please. This is 444, taxi to the holding
106 tons takeoff weight.
In to 28.
Flex 51. V1 is 131.
36.
136 V2 250 presets. Das ist checked.
Okay.
564, startup is now approved.
Yellow door selectors.
564.
Cabin crew, yellow door selectors to automatic, please. Automatic.
Economy flow, 99 passengers on. Windows closed.
Windows
Doors
closed. 6 lights
green
checked.
6. Beacon.
Automatic.
Parking brake.
Set.
Brake accumulator pressure.
Checked.
Last minute change.
No last minute change.
Okay. 11 minutes to go.
Ja, ask for pushback. Ja, Moment, rasch wegen Traktor. Boden? Ja. Wie sieht es aus mit dem Traktor? Ja, bitte, rufen wir zurück.
Swissair 882, contact tower 18.1, unit down. 118, Swissair 882, message.
Okay, wir machen in der Zwischenzeit das Take-off Briefing.
Ja.
Operation nach Standard Swissair Procedures. In case of any malfunction, you call out what it is. If it's something on here, you show me the instruments for a quick decision. During takeoff, we abort in any case in case of power loss or serious malfunction, fire. Saying stop reverse, throttles back to idle, ground spoilers and auto brakes automatically above 85 knots.
Is there much of a delay?
In case we would leave the runway, we do the on-ground emergencies. On my orders.
And then I give you taxi clearance.
Your points?
Roger.
High pressure valves off.
With 960,
4 times off.
And we're ready for
So
start.
3, 2, 1, and 2. Ram air.
Call you in about 4 minutes. Okay.
The lights on.
Okay, for me it's parking brake, VHF 1 to inform tower. Afterwards we make the decision if we evacuate or not. If we evacuate, command signal on, cutting the horn, and when leaving the cockpit, 3 batteries off.
Yeah.
You check the first class, I go through the aircraft and leave the aircraft at the rear entrance door.
Checked.
Aussen am Flüger den Passagier zusammenhalten, dass es nicht zu weit weg würde gehen.
Now.
If we go into the air, 12.5 grad, 12.5 degrees initial attitude, we activate the EOSID, follow it via Kloten 25 to AhHa. We proceed to Ekron, make a cleanup at 3,000 feet and go up to flight level 60 in the Ekron hold. Approach 16014. Questions?
No? Okay. No reverse on ground. In the air, 2 AhHa, confirm AOSID, 3000 and level 60 to Ekron.
Okay.
Check.
Before the noon.
Boden? Wie sieht das aus mit dem Traktor?
Window? The Shamrock 661 requesting taxi, please. 661 stand by, collision brake, dann 161
Gut,
behind
gehen wir rasch auf die Station.
to holding point runway 28 right
Bin auf
now.
dem 2.
Mr. 444, taxi slowly let pass the Mr. 20 crossing zone in from the left right, please. Mr. 444.
Station Swissair 620, good morning.
Deviation 401, your number 1. Say again? Your number 1 in front of the Fokker. Ah, danke schön.
Station Swissair 620, good morning. Dispatch Swissair 620, good morning. We are missing the tractor for pushback. We should have left 8 minutes ago. No tractor available. Could you check, please? Boden? Wir haben einen Take-off-Slot auf 06. Das wäre in 8 Minuten. Jetzt schaffen wir es bald nicht mehr.
Morning, Apron American 38. Clear the runway going to 33.
American 38, Zurich, good morning. Taxi straight ahead, right taxiway in at stand, Bravo 33.
American 38.
Shamrock 661, taxi now to holding point runway
Okay,
28,
good.
by the outer right now.
Shamrock 661 to 28, right down there now, sir.
Runway 861, contact tower 118.1, bye-bye.
1181.
Traktor komt.
Ja.
Good on the barrier 81, good morning.
Caller 810, Zurich, good morning, I call you in time.
Yeah.
Ippen, good to Swissair 620 Alpha 55 for push and start.
620, Zurich, good morning, with the non-startup and pushback is approved.
Push and start approved, Swissair 620.
400 on stand, Delta 05 is ready to start.
Runway 3400, Zurich, good morning, with the non, I call you in time.
Thank you.
564, taxi to the holding point runway 28.
Clearance voor pushback Hammer. Check
Ready and
before
clear to
push, ja.
start.
Also
Ready
all ready.
and clear to push.
Oder? Ja, sagen wir, wenn wir Bremsen lösen, wir sind clear to push.
Shamrock 661, your number 5 behind the crosses are leaving the goal stands on your right hand side. You have it inside?
661, number 5, yes.
Gaan we nochmal rasch zur Station.
Is that 564?
De
Contact
reefs.
tower 1 decimal 1, turn it down.
Dispatch Swissair 620, we got the tractor. Okay, brakes released.
Is now approved.
Startup approved, Swissair 960.
Okay, starting 2 and 1.
Zurich, Japan, correct, C transfer, C402.
Okay.
Background's off, ready for engine
Star
start.
number 2.
Start valve 2 is open.
Startup saying Kloten, please.
This is transfer,
01.
C402.
Runway
And 2.
3402, startup is approved.
C2, thank you.
Engine oil pressure.
Shamrock 661, contact tower 18 decimal
And 1.
Bye-bye.
18.1, 661, Clayton.
Fuel on, time. Fuel flow.
Ground, sit at 5403.
Light up.
We're on standard year 5, open 0, questions from that to them.
Leopard 5403, Zurich, good morning, I call you in time.
Okay. That's good. Brakes are set.
Number 2 stabilized,
Okay,
valve
star
closed.
number 1.
Start valve 1 is open.
It's a 570,
And 2.
startup and pushback is now approved. Startup and pushback approved, it's a 570.
Engine oil pressure.
Apron American 64 is checking in.
American 64, again, good morning, turn to the right, taxi by the outer to stand, Bravo
And 1.
32.
Outer to Bravo 32, roger.
Fuel on, time. Fuel flow. Light up. Engine 1 stabilized, valves closed.
Okay, bij euch sieht alles gut aus, dann könnt ihr abräumen. Einen schönen Tag. Check out the engine start.
All green check, tidal verti check. Chocks away.
Requested,
Hydraulic power panel.
that's all checked.
And the ice panel,
Not prepared.
Elvendacht. AP master switch.
Off.
Engine start selected.
Off.
Off. AP bleed. Off. Bleed valves.
Abrams with
Automatic gear cross feed.
960,
Automatic.
Charlie 5 protected,
Closed.
please.
It's a 960.
Stabilizer 0.7 up.
0.7 is set.
Holding position.
Fuel
960.
levers. Checked on. Aileron rudder trim.
Are checked.
Status.
Auto trim, we don't need it. Checked.
Checked. Flight controls.
Flight controls check.
All clear signal,
Taxi,
receive
please.
right side. Ready for taxi? Swissair 620 for taxi.
Swissair, taxi 3 holding front runway 28, straight ahead by the inner.
Straight ahead by the inner holding 28 Swissair 620. Right side is clear.
Yeah, check. And right away with taxi check, please.
Thank you. Flaps moving. Lights and space. ATC clearance. Albix 4 Yankee. Straight ahead 2.5 miles Kloten. Left turn intercept radial 255. Left turn within 12 miles Kloten via OTAP Desma Debris. DMEL Kloten minimum 55, in OTAP mentions 100.
Okay, check. Recording SMS. Inserted.
And the squawk is set.
into 28 was 960.
Auto flight system.
CWS1, navigation and profile.
CWS1 near peak line signs. Takeoff briefing completed.
Briefing generally completed. I say again the speeds 131 for abortion with full reverse. In high speed range. Afterwards 136 minimum climb out speed. Cleanup altitude 3000 feet. Final altitude flight level 60. AhHa to Echo.
Recheck completed, yeah. Susway panel flex 51. Rechecked.
570 for taxi, please. 570, taxi to the holding front
That's
runway
checked.
28, left and out.
Slats, flaps and takeoff speeds.
1515, no Kruger light.
106 tons.
Okay, 131,
Adios, Swissair,
136, 250 preset. Clear on the left.
Crosshairs on, line up runway 28, expected punch in 3 minutes.
Rechecked.
Run up 2 ways, Shamrock 6.
Brakes.
Checked.
Spoilers.
Arms.
Auto brake.
Down at 861 to the punches, goodbye
Max
now.
on.
Target seats with 620.
This is 620 from tower, grid C behind Shamrock. 737, line up runway 28, expect departure in 5 minutes.
Sure, we'll line up behind with 620. Configuration normal for takeoff. Silent pumps checked.
Gang rasch zu den Passagieren.
Ja.
Guten Tag, meine Damen und Herren. Hier spricht Ihr Kapitän Jörg Schmid. Herzlich willkommen an Bord unseres Airbuses A310 für diesen Morgenflug nach Mailand. Vor uns noch ein Flugzeug, welches startet. Circa 2 Minuten nach diesem Flugzeug können wir auch Zürich verlassen. Ich wünsche Ihnen bei diesem äußerst schönen Wetter einen schönen Alpenflug. Ladies and gentlemen, we are actually number 2 for takeoff, so we'll leave Zurich in about 4 minutes from now. I wish you then a very pleasant flight. Brake set. Okay, gut. Merci vielmals. Schönen Flug.
Cabin secured, phase 1 completed.
Okay.
Pack valves to go.
Yeah.
Approach is clear. FMA. Checked. 5 minutes idle.
That's clear. Yeah.
Checked. And approach is clear.
Tower grid C, Swissair 570, we are coming short, runway 28.
Swissair 570, tower grid C behind the Airbus, line up runway 28, expect departure in 3 minutes.
Archer, lining up 28 behind the Airbus, Swissair 570.
Take off in about 1 minute.
661, contact departures, goodbye now. Sure, 661, right.
Runway 28 is identified. Headings checked.
Checked.
Brake set.
Swissair 393, hold short of 28.
Holding short of 28, Swissair 393.
Swissair 620, clear takeoff runway 28, wind 030 degrees, 2 knots.
Swissair 620, clear takeoff 28. Pack valves off,
Lights
deck check
on.
completed.
Okay. Runway headings,
Check.
taxi fuel,
Checked.
spinning.
Time is set.
Take off.
Takeoff thrust, Cyan.
Checked.
Tower, Hotel Bravo, Papa Alpha Tango, holding 28 for route number 1.
Hotel Alpha Tango, Tower Grazie, call you back.
Viva update.
393, cross runway 28, contact apron 121.75, on you with an
Crossing 28, Swissair 393, unit on.
Gear up.
Let's see this phone.
Zurich Tower, good morning, Swissair 960.
Swissair 960, Grazie behind, MD-80, line up runway 28, expect 1 minute separation.
Okay, behind
Gauge command.
28, Swissair 960.
Command 1 set.
620 to departures, adieu.
Adios, Swissair 620.
Hotel Bravo, Charlie Golf Tango at holding point 28, ready for
Be thrust
departure.
and climb.
Hotel Bravo Charlie Golf Tango, Tower Grazie, report up en route.
Route number 1, Golf
Backs
Tango.
in line,
Roger,
climb
I
power.
call you back, Golf Tango.
Checked. Departures, Grazie, Swissair 620 out of 38.
Swissair 620, departure Grazie identified, maintain level 80.
We'll maintain level 80 when reaching Swissair 620.
Shamrock 661, climb to flight level 140.
Shamrock 661, climb 140.
Okay.
Speed 250.
Checked.
Flaps up.
Speed is checked. Traffic straight ahead above.
Ja, checked. Das ist der, wo uns der Level restriktiert. Passing transition. Flight level 4850.
Checked.
And slats in.
Speed is checked.
Shamrock 661.
Gear neutral.
Swissair 620, clear to turn left to Tesma.
Left turn to Tesma, Swissair 620.
Direct to Tesma, please.
Like Tesma is set.
Approaching flight level 80. Going back to navigation.
Checked.
Speed 250.
Swissair 620, climb to flight level 130.
Swissair 620, climbing flight level 130.
130 is checked.
Swissair 620 for first climb, contact Syrian 128.05 with the local.
Radar losses, Swissair 620.
Roger, good.
10,000, speed 338. Climb check, please.
Checked. Very good, Swissair 620 out of 105, climbing 130.
This is Swissair 620, continue climb to level 170.
Swissair 620, cleared flight level 170.
170 checked.
Checked. Altimeter standard
Standard
112.
11.2.
Goedemorgen, Hotel Bravo India Tango November is maintaining level
All off.
220.
Grizzly Hotel, Tango November.
Seatbelts.
Off.
Memo page, economy flow on.
Check.
Climb check completed.
Okay.
Grizzly Hotel, Oscar Echo.
De Mont Blanc komt weer da hinten.
Swissair 620 recleared, flight level 210.
210 is checked.
Ja.
Ich gehe zu den Passagieren. Your controls in der
Okay, my controls.
Meine Damen und Herren, nochmals Herr Kapitän, einige Informationen zu unserem Flug. Wir befinden uns zurzeit noch über dem Zürcher See, auf einer Höhe von 15.000 Fuß, was 4.500 Metern entspricht, im Steigflug auf unsere Reiseflughöhe von 6.400 Metern oder 21.000 Fuß. Wir drehen nun soeben Richtung Gotthard. Sie können rechts unten den Zugersee erkennen, dahinter den Vierwaldstätter See und am Hintergrund dann die Berner Alpen. Ebenso sichtbar Mont Blanc, die höchste Erhebung in Europa. Links unten noch der obere Teil des Zürcher Sees, dahinter der Walensee, am Hintergrund dann sind die Bündner Alpen sichtbar. Wir werden dann weiter nach Gotthard Richtung Monteceneri fliegen, um in knapp 30 Minuten in Mailand zu landen. Die Wettermeldung des oberitalienischen Gebietes, wir haben eine aufgelockerte Bewölkung. Heute Morgen hatte es Nieselregen in Mailand. Die Temperatur betrug 12 Grad. Ladies and gentlemen, your captain again. We are now on course direct to St. Gotthard, approaching our
Swissair
cruising
620
altitude
is maintaining flight level 210.
21,000 feet. That equals 6,400 meters. On your right side you see the Lake of the Four Cantons. Behind you have the Bernese Alps, the famous Eiger Northern Wall, and on the far background you may see the Matterhorn and Mont Blanc, the highest peak in Europe. In about 25 to 30 minutes from now we shall be landing in Milano. The weather, it's cloudy, it was slightly raining this morning. Temperature actually 12 degrees. I hope you can enjoy this flight. Okay.
Your controls again?
My controls. Würdest du noch den Anflug rein tun von Mailand?
Ja.
Runway 36 right.
Approach 36 right is set and checked.
Okay.
Hotel Tango November. Go ahead please.
That's checked.
Due to traffic, descend down to level 190. Down to 190, Tango November. And are you going to fly about also connected or proceeding to Salon? Tango November, we are proceeding normally to Lugano over Pinci. Okay, that means
Okay, ich kann nochmal rasch zu den Passagieren auf Französisch etwas sagen.
Ja.
Nochmal your
My
controls.
controls.
Mesdames et messieurs, bonjour, c'est votre commandant Jörg Schmid qui vous parle. Je vous souhaite aussi la bienvenue à bord. Nous nous approchons actuellement dans la région de Saint-Gothard, à une altitude de 6400 mètres. À votre droite, les Alpes bernois et valaisannes. Et nous volons maintenant en direction de Monteceneri. Atterrirons à Milan dans 25 minutes. À Milan, il est nuageux, avec une température autour de 12 degrés. Je vous souhaite encore un vol très agréable. Et wieder zurück. My controls, please.
Your controls in the papers.
Ja.
Hotel Tango November, cleared level 170.
Cleared 170, Tango November.
Zurich, good morning. Lufthansa 5466 out of 1 China, landing 230 South Plaza.
Grazzi Lufthansa 5466, form 2771.
2771, fine contact.
Just on time.
Okay. Machen Sie approach briefing vom Eiland, wenn du parat bist.
Ready in a second. I'm ready.
Okay. Starting descent, approaching debris. Speed limit 250 below flight level 100. Following the 169 radial. Altitude restrictions 7 miles south of Saronno, flight level 90. 6,000 feet at 27 miles Saronno. And the intermediate approach altitude is 3,000 feet.
Contact Milano 12745, Maria.
12745 Swissair 620. Adios. Milano, buongiorno, Swissair 620, flight level 210.
Buongiorno, Swissair 620, Squawk 5016.
Squawk 5016 is on, Swissair 620.
Okay. I say again, intermediate approach altitude 3,000 feet. The other mark 2130 and the minimum 640 on the pressure altimeter.
Swissair 620, direct Saronno.
Okay, direct Saronno. Inserted and checked.
Checked. 640 minimum
640 on the pressure altimeter, radio altimeter setting 0. Fly pass angle would be -3 degrees.
checked.
We take the ILS 103 357 inbound track. On the ADFs, Linate on number 1, Trezzo on number 2. The ILS go around in case would be climbing on 357 to 1,000 feet or above, then turn right, not before Linate VOR. We onderleggen daar Linate. Not before Linate, towards Trezzo, 3,000 feet. We take heading 357, 3,000 feet. To the piste salvo. It's quite a short runway, 2,440 meters long, no displaced threshold. We give normal reverse, most probably. I would give the order after landing. I intend to leave the runway via Romeo 1.
5017, Tango November.
Dat is checked.
Irgendwelche Fragen?
Ah, is klaar.
Gut. Kannst du bitte das Wetter holen vom Eiland und dem entsprechenden Alternate?
Jawohl.
Italia 1270, Coceniba 12555.
555.
Ich mache ein ATC.
Ja.
Bravo India Tango November, da contact Canne Lugan Pinci.
Canne Lugan Pinci, thank you, Tango November.
Nav setting preset.
Ja.
Missed.
Linate and Reds are checked. ILS not checked for the time.
Yep.
QNH 1026. No 6. Rome Fiumicino at 0550. 060 degrees.
Changing autopilot mode to altitude hold.
6
Check.
kilometers.
1501 call Zurich,
Speed to Swissair.
12605 Lufthansa 1501. Goodbye.
No 6. Rome Ciampino at 0550.
India Sierra Tango Papa, now resume navigation on the right 1 meter, track about 290 degrees.
Missed. Temperature 10.8. QNH 1024. Nice at 0600. 360 degrees, 12 knots. Cabo K. Temperature
Zo heb je zitten, Ko?
2.9.
It's hot scout.
QNH 1026. No 6. This is
Passing
Milan
Tenerife.
Malpensa. This is Milan Malpensa. Milan Linate at 0550. Calm. 6 kilometers. Recent rain. 1 octave cumulonimbus.
Del Bravo India Tango November, we're ready, descent to Platon level 150.
2500 feet. Temperature 15.14. QNH 1027. No 6. Milan Malpensa at 0550. Calm. 5 kilometers. Missed. 2 octa 2500 feet. 4 octa 8,000 feet. Temperature 132.12. QNH 1027. No 6.
Okay.
You're in at
Merci. Machst du check for
0550.
descent, please?
Jawohl.
Calm. 5 kilometers. Missed.
Recent train. Ein CB.
1 CB 1500.
Weather checked.
Status, auto trim
Checked.
checked.
And standing by for descent.
Swissair 620, standing by for descent.
Roger 620, descent to Platon level 150.
Leaving 210 for 150, Swissair 620.
150 checked. Starting descent.
Checked. Landing weight 104 tons.
104 is goed. Checked. Label change.
Descent check completed, sir.
Swissair 620, call radar 1327.
1327, Swissair 620.
Gangen allemaal to the passenger. Your controls.
Controls.
Wait,
Descent to
contact Lugano
150.
12455, goodbye.
I'm off.
6000 feet, 1028, 12455, good day. 963 assuma Prua 310,
Meine Damen und Herren, wir befinden uns nun über der italienisch-schweizerischen Grenze, haben den Sinkflug begonnen und ich möchte Sie bitten, sich wieder anzuschnallen.
Milano Buongiorno, Swissair 620, flight level 193, descending 150.
Knappen
Buongiorno
Viertelstunde lang.
620. Radar contact
Das
and
Wetter
leave
in
Saronno radial
Mailand
175, radar vector in
stark
left
bewölkt.
approach runway 36.
Es hat
Number 5,
geregnet, die Temperatur
speed to
beträgt
50
jetzt
knots.
14 Grad.
Saronno
Ladies and gentlemen, we started our descent
175 radial
Milano.
and reducing the speed
Would you
down to
please
level 150, Swissair 620.
Landing in about a quarter of an
Sorry,
hour.
Papa Romeo Bravo 942, squawk guidance.
Latest weather report, cloudy, it was raining, temperature 14 degrees.
level 120.
Yes, sir, call it back for
Mesdames et messieurs, nous avons commencé notre descente en direction de Milan. Veuillez attacher vos ceintures, s'il vous plaît.
At 1183, Roger, 6 miles
atterrirons
from
dans un
touchdown.
quart
Clear for a left approach, tower 1181, goodbye.
181, bye.
La météo, il est nuageux, la température actuelle est de 14 degrés.
Italia 317,
Okay.
Milano, descent to level 90, speed 240 knots.
Cleared.
Air controls, cleared level 150. Speed reduced to 250 knots. Now we are number 5 for the approach. And we are cleared after Saronno, radial 175.
93, velocità indicata.
Een punkt programmeerd, 175, 27 mijlen out,
Oké.
is standard is.
Ok, incrementi
In
al velocità
spreektempo weer in briefing gemacht
220 e
6
fra
graden
2
af.
miglia oltre le discese.
Speed 250 is selected, 150. Check for approach, please.
Check for approach. On.
Schalte de radar in.
Right.
Speedman 563, climb to 140 and contact radar 12745.
12745, the frequency climb, flight level 140,563, bye.
Right. Swissair 620, descend to 6,000 feet, QNH 1027.
Niet speciaals op onze track was
to avoid the long
betreft.
track.
Roger. Swissair 620, descending 6,000 feet, 1027, reducing speed to 220 knots.
Alisarda 253,
Speed
Milano,
220.
comincia a ridurre la
for
velocità a
short
250
Down to
nodi, autorizzato a
6,000
livello
on the
90.
QNH 1027, 6480.
Is checked, set.
Bravo 942, requesting lower. Yes, descend to level 100.
Fuel. Met 1 stone holding, mit alternate in update. Milan Malpensa.
317, Roger, maintain present heading, radar vector in LS approach runway 36.
Roger, Wikipedia, in Italia 317.
93 scende a 3 miglia, report stabilizzato.
Flight path angle, minus 3. Position height, 640 und 0 setzt.
640 and 0 on the radio.
Descend to
Auto
level
brake?
140
Auto brake
and
off.
tackle back for lower.
Check for approach completed.
Yes, and Y1101, maintain your speed up. Maintain your speed up.
Wie vertraut is?
Jawohl.
Milan Malpensa at 0550. Calm. 6 kilometers. Recent rain. 1 octa. Cumulonimbus 1500 feet. 6 octa. 2500 feet. Temperature 152.14. QNH 1027. No sig. Milan Malpensa at 0550. Calm. 5 kilometers. Mist. 2 octa, 250.
Okay, Aussentemperatur minus 12, Takt minus 2, durch Engine anti-ice
Temperature 13.
Information is Delta, runway 36 right, no change.
Okay, merci.
Papa Romeo Bravo 9, Forturi clear to 70, transition level on Ori QNH 1027 and clear for a Tango LS approach for runway 29.
Clear to 70 and clear for ILS Tango on runway 29, 942.
Affirmative.
LS is checked.
Okay.
Milano arrival, buongiorno, this is Viaso 722, leaving 190 to 100 on the local line.
Viaso 722, buongiorno, report your indicated airspeed.
350.
350, confirm?
250.
Okay, descend to level
Next, lights out,
100.
please.
Speed is checked.
Descend to level 100, Viaso 722.
Italia 317, speed 190 knots. Expect left turn 3 miles after the localizer.
Okay, and we are going down to 190, Italia 317.
Flat 15 is set.
Ati
Check.
963,
Vector
10 miglia
0178.
da contatto, autorizzato avvicinamento a torre 118.1.
Okay, flying 220 minimum is checked.
Buongiorno. Buongiorno.
Milan fast 1686 morning.
Morning 1686, velocity is clear.
Okay.
Milano, buongiorno, Swissair 641, 4,300 for 6,000 climbing.
641, buongiorno, proceed to Saronno, then to Blue 4.
Okay, ice and the anti-ice. Wing anti-ice on, please.
Wing anti-ice on.
And cancel the status.
Risarda 253, riautorizzato a 3000 piedi.
23000, 253.
Swissair 620, descend to 4000 feet, increase until reaching, expect left and in 4 miles.
Roger, ready for turn in 4 miles, descending 4,000 feet, increasing rate of descent, Swissair 620.
Yes, but you are still number 3 to land, actually back.
Roger.
Okay, das wäre ein Blitz gewesen.
No.
1101 is maintaining 140.
1101, you have been cleared to descend to 100. Anyway, descend to 4,000 feet on QNH 1027.
Roger, 4,000 feet, 1027.
Gear up, instruments normal,
41, approaching 6,000 for higher.
no special.
641, Roger, climb to level 140.
Roger to level 140, Swissair 641.
Italia 317 is reaching 990.
Roger, descend to 5,000 feet, QNH 1027.
5,000, 027, 317.
Coming ground contact.
Bravo Romeo Bravo 942, contact Bergamo 1265, goodbye.
126.5, goodbye.
Risarda 253, 11 miglia, mi correggo, 12 miglia dal campo, realizzato l'avvicinamento, torre 118 buongiorno.
A voi, grazie.
Going to heading select.
0 left, heading 090 for base.
Left turn heading 090, Swissair 620.
Yes, and 620, descend to 3,000 feet.
Pre-cleared, 3,000 feet, Swissair 620.
Heading 090, 3,000 feet checked.
Risarda 1101, qual è la velocità indicata?
260.
20 track miles to go.
Yes, 722 Milano, reduce
Coming on the 3
speed
degrees.
to 10 knots.
Reducing speed to 10 knots, Viaso 722.
Yes, and 722 clear to 5,000 feet, QNH Malpensa is 1027.
1027 is clear to 5,000 feet, Viaso 722.
Milano Milano, Risarda 209, approaching 140.
209, buongiorno, descend to level 100, speed 250 knots.
Roger, down to 100 to 50.
Italia 317, turn left on heading 310, report established allineato localizer.
310, report established allineato localizer, Italia 317.
Okay, ILS selected.
Is checked.
Clipper 84, 230
Lights on.
for level 140.
Good morning,
Wing
Clipper
anti-ice off.
84. Descend to level 100 and
Wing
no delays
anti-ice off.
expected, number 3.
Temperatures
100,
checked,
perfect.
engine anti-ice off.
On France 1686, descend to 6,000 feet. QNH is 1027 and
Engine anti-ice off.
report indicated high speed. Air France 1686 Milano.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, descend to 6,000 feet on QNH 1027. Report, your indicated high speed.
We have 240 knots and we're descending
Expecting
to
base turn any
6,000
second.
1027 from 36.
This is 620 left heading 030. Report established on Linato localizer.
Left heading 030, clear approach, call established, Swissair 620.
Heading
Italia 317, descend to
030,
3,000 feet.
land is armed.
317.
On France 1686,
Reducing
speed
speed.
200 knots and leave Voguera on heading
178
090
minimum.
with a vector in ILS approach runway 36.
180 selected.
Roger, Alpha 1686, the Roger heading
85.
090 and the speed 200.
Yeah. 317 Milano, turn right on heading 320 until established.
320 until established, 317.
Descend 1101, 20 miles from touchdown. Clear for ILS approach, contact Malpensa 1190. Goodbye.
1190, Valesco.
Yaza
Okay,
722,
localizer
descend to
captured.
4,000 feet. Clear for ILS approach.
Clear for ILS approach, 4,000 feet, Viaso 722.
Select flaps 15.
641, contact radar 12745, goodbye.
12745.
Maneuvering
641,
15 on the speeds. Approaching 3000.
Swissair 620, fully established, reducing the speed.
Okay, 9 miles from touchdown, clear for less approach tower 1181, goodbye.
Thank you, goodbye.
Glide slope captured. Ladies and gentlemen, landing in about 3 minutes. Flap 20
Speed is checked.
and make the gear down.
2020 set.
Yep.
Speed 155 still.
Select approach 20.
140, 2020 set, gears down 3 greens.
Make full flaps
Speed is checked.
and final approach speed 131.
Set 3040.
Autopilot coming off. Disregard the warning.
Vicino 3, l'atterraggio 41 con la ground 21.
A dopo, grazie.
Swissair 620 inbound demarker.
Roger 620, clear to land, Winnacom.
Clear land 36, Swissair 620.
Final check 3 greens.
3 greens.
And the other market data.
317, monitor you, report limit of the market.
Marker 10270 set. It's not localizing. Approach speed is checked. Minimum 640, but visual.
Okay, check. Merci vielmals.
Ground setting completed. All set. VR clear land.
Okay, all set for landing and clear to land.
Yes, sir. Swissair 620, confirm landing and approach lights on.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Antenna tilt +5, please.
Swissair 620, for your information, the VAS is out of service.
Roger. And the approach lights on high intensity.
Medium.
Switch high, please.
Switch high, please. Thank you.
300.
Rate 700 checked.
$100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Okay, reverse. Back to idle. On the brakes.
On the ground 44.
Reverse off.
Thank you very much. 620. Milano ground, buongiorno, Swissair 620.
Buongiorno, 620, Bravo 13.
Bravo 13, thank you.
Check after landing.
Sure.
Bravo 13 is checked.
13. Houden we de uiterst in de voorbare rijen.
Ja. check.
Alfa Lima, massimo di approvato, il decollo dopo le 7 Zulu.
APU available after landing check completed.
Okay.
Littoral 501 is ready to copy, ATC clearance.
501 Genova 1 Eco, Albenga.
Lights off.
110
Check.
request level change. Transponder 0461.
Taxiing slowly for the idle time.
Yeah.
Littoral 501, clear to this destination, Genova 1 Echo, Albenga. Climb to level 110 to the request level change. The scope 0461.
0461, correct. Continue taxi at the holding position. Contact 1181 for takeoff.
Holding position and 1181 for takeoff. Littoral 501.
Clear right.
Check.
Cabin crew, yellow those selectors
Parking
to
brake
manual
set.
please. Merci.
Idle time checked. APU on. 1, 2.
Slides checked, beacon off.
And the oil is checked.
Thank you.
And a parking check, please.
Buongiorno, Italia 317 vacated.
Chocks in place, brakes release.
Italia 317, roger to the right, Delta 20.